Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 May 2018, 19 of hour, 03 of minute and 33 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, where did the ivory-billed woodpecker used to live? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about where did the ivory-billed woodpecker used to live. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about where did the ivory-billed woodpecker used to live. The ivory-billed woodpecker once ranged through swampy forests in the southeastern and lower Mississippi Valley states, from North Carolina to Florida and west to eastern Texas and Arkansas, with some 1800s reports in Kentucky, Missouri, and Oklahoma. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.